Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to make a very simple, traditional and mouth-watering combo recipe, restaurant style rasam and the super delicious and easy side dish plantain fry or the raw banana fry which goes very well with this rasam. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and enable the bell icon so that you won't miss out my new uploads. Now come, let's get started. For making the restaurant style rasam and plantain fry combo, first step is to marinate the plantains. So I have taken 3 plantains or raw bananas. You have to cut off the edges and discard them and peel the skin, slice them and marinate with some ingredients so that they taste better when we fry them. So remove the skin perfectly and don't keep them for a long time, they will turn dark. So immediately after you cut, you have to add the ingredients for marination and see that the slices are slightly thicker. Don't slice them very thin, otherwise they will turn out to be like chips, and we don't want that texture. Now to this add tomato puree. I have taken from 2 medium sized tomatoes, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. This is a secret ingredient which will add very good flavor and taste to this, so don't skip it. And 1 teaspoon of salt and mix them thoroughly. Mix them very gently so that the slices don't get broken, and refrigerate them for about 30 minutes. Now let's start making our rasam. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of Toor dal and roast them over a slow flame so that they don't turn out dark. To this add 1 tablespoon of peppercorns and 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds. This is 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seeds and roast them over a slow flame. To this add 2 numbers of dried red chillies and some 7 to 8 curry leaves. This process should definitely be done over a slow flame. And now switch off the stove, they are done, and add half a teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Now cool them and grind them to a coarse powder. Cool them in room temperature and you have to just grind them to a coarse powder. Now take 5 pods of garlic, let the skin be on, don't remove the skin. Pound them with a mortar and a pestle. This will give a very unique flavor and taste, so add the the skin also along with the garlic. Now you can just see the texture how it is. Just keep it aside. Now this is the roasted and ground rasam powder. Now we have boiled and mashed Toor dal, 100 grams of Toor dal boiled with 400 ml of water. And this is tamarind pulp, 1 small lemon size tamarind soaked in half cup of water. And I have drained it also and keep it aside. These are diced tomatoes. I have taken 250 grams of tomatoes. This is the pound garlic and this is Jaggery powder 1 teaspoon. Now take a kadai and add quarter cup of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of split black gram. Once the black gram turns slightly brown in color, add about 2 dry red chillies and some curry leaves. Now you can add the pound garlic. Let it turn golden brown in color. Fry them till they turn golden brown. Do it over a slow flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. As soon as you add the turmeric powder, you need to add the tomatoes. Otherwise the turmeric powder will turn dark in color. And now saute the tomatoes until they lose the raw smell. Now add some coriander leaves for the flavor. And keep sauteing them until they lose their raw smell. And add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. And cook for some time. You just have to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. And now you can add the tamarind pulp. And let the tamarind pulp boil for some time. You can also cover them and boil so that they lose the raw smell. See that in rasam the raw smell shouldn't be there. Now you can add the roasted and ground rasam powder and cook for a while. Now you can add the boiled and mashed tur dal. And to this add 1 liter of water. And let it cook for some time. Finally add 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our rasam is ready. Now we can start frying the plantains because they are being refrigerated and they are out of the refrigerator. Now take a pan and add 1/4 cup of oil, and once the oil gets heated, drop the marinated plantain slices one by one and fry them over a medium flame. And once you're done on one side, flip them to the other side and fry them over a medium flame till they turn nice golden brown color. Now you can remove them from the oil. They are done, and you can drain them using an absorbent paper. You can see the color, so beautiful, golden brown. Now this is the absorbent paper with which we are going to drain. Now our simple and delicious combo rasam and plantain fry are ready to be served. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback in the comments box. And please subscribe to my channel. With lots of love, Sana Kuram.